every night.
Yeah. Maganda araw mga kautol. And for today's video ay tuturo naman natin ang pocket locket. So bago natin simulan yung tutorial, ay i-mirror muna natin itong video. Let's go! So ayun na nga mga kautol, mirror tayo. Ibig sabihin kung nakaharap ka sa akin kung ano yung side na igagalaw ko, ayun din ang side na igagalaw mo. Ito ang ating kanan at ito ang ating kaliwa. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Simulan natin sa figure 1. Sa figure 1 natin mga kautol, step right foot lang tayo to the side kasabay yung paghawi ng kanang kamay. Okay? And then pag nag-close yung paa, tatalon lang tayo and then snap sa harap. Okay? So it's boom, boom, and then step right foot forward habang kumikembot, and then step backward, kembot. Then after that, step right foot sa front kasabay yung pagpukpok dito ng kamay, which is yung kanan. And then yung paa natin is nakalabas and then labas. Okay, so it's boom, then labas. Pukpok sa loob and then pukpok sa labas. Habang yung paa natin ay nagtutwist lang ng ganyan. Okay, so it's twist and then twist. And then after that, iikot lang natin ng isang beses dito sa taas. And then palo na nakabend yung katawan natin. And then uhugot lang tayo ng dalawang countings. So pag ginawa natin si figure 1 from the top, sabayan nyo ako mga kautol. It's boom, boom, and boom, boom, and boom, boom, and boom, boom, boom. Pag nilagyan natin ang countings in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is our figure 1.
I'm your type, I'm the vibe. Fantasize, stay the night, every night. I could keep.
I'm your type, I'm the vibe. Fantasize, stay the night, every night. I could keep.
Para naman sa figure 2 natin mga kautol, so ta, and then clap lang tayo dito. Okay, so buelo, buelo, clap, then step right foot, forward, back, yung kaliwa, forward, and then back. Sasabayan lang natin ng kamay na paturo sa baba. It's boom, boom. Okay, so it's boom, boom. So pag ginawa natin from the top hanggang doon, so sabayan nyo ako mga kautol, it's boom, 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 and boom, boom. And then after that, step left foot to the side, then cross, open, clap. Ganun ang mangyayari. So cross, open, clap. Then step right foot. Yung kamay natin na kanan is naka-extend lang. Yung kamay natin na kaliwa is papalabas, and then luloob siya is step left foot. Okay, so from here, it's boom, and then boom. So pag ginawa natin si figure 2 from the top, sabayan nyo ako mga kautol. It's boom, 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 and boom, boom, and boom, and boom, boom. Pag nilagyan natin ang countings in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that is our figure 2. And then I keep it up down when I lock and drop it. Yeah.
You buy your secrets in my pocket locket, and then I keep it up down when I lock and drop it. Yeah.
So ano pang hinihintay natin mga kautol? Sabay-sabay nating sayawan ang pocket locket. In 1, 2, 3, let's go!
I'm the type, I'm the vibe. Fantasize, stay the night, every night. I could keep all your secrets in my pocket locket, and then I keep it up down when I lock and drop it. Yeah.
So mga kautol, kung nagustuhan nyo yung tutorial natin for today, ay don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell button para lagi kayo updated sa mga moves ng inyong kautol. Hanggang sa muli, babush!